Hello, today we will learn demo installation of Quiklearn Education WordPress theme. Quiklearn is an innovative theme to accomplish educational goals in one spot. You can manage the course, quizzes, assignments, exams, and lots of related items effectively and regardlessly. For this, you first need to install its zip file, what you can purchase from Event Marketplace. Then choose correct file while adding. After this, click on Activate. It will suggest you several plugins. Select Bulk Action and apply install. After installing, now time to activate all the plugins. Go to the dashboard. For demo content installation, move to Installed Plugins. Here, you need to install RT Demo Importer for demo content. Instantly, you will get 4 pre-made homepages of Quiklearn. You can choose and select any one from here for your website and then install it. It will take few time to install. And then finally you will get this elegant education WordPress theme. This entire theme looks like it. Also, you can select another homepage for your website. Thank you for watching.